Good morning, lovely people. Welcome back to Indulge with Dimples. Welcome and welcome back. And today, you know what it is. It's Sunday cooking lesson, set up easy, semi-homemade, semi-store-bought, and I got something delicious, tasty, easy, and healthy for you today. Yeah, healthy. You didn't know I was gonna throw that in there. So if you're not subscribed yet, you need to, because I am full of fun, adventure, exciting, and flavor. Okay, over here I'm the seasoning queen. We're using all types of seasonings to make our food fantastic. But today we're going to be cooking with fresh jumbo shrimp. Yes, you heard me, fresh jumbo shrimp. So if you're not a member of Sam's Club, you need to go there, because this is where I got the shrimp from. And put a little picture right there, baby. Look, them shrimps are huge. So we're going to double clean them, because I don't trust anything that says it's been deveined, cleaned, and washed, triple washed. No. So make sure you clean them. I'm going to go on, change my shirt. We're going to head down to this kitchen and we're going to get ready to cook these shrimps. Now the way I'm cooking these shrimps, I ain't got no more words for you. Just follow me in the kitchen and let's get to cooking. Alright guys. Alright, so we're going to cook the lightly battered shrimp. So we have 2 cups of flour in here, and to the flour we're going to add a couple of different seasonings. We're going to add some total seasoning from Lawry's. So I like this. Just add that into your flour. I'm going to go ahead and just put the rest of that in there. You're going to add some dash. Bam. We're going to add a little bit of black pepper. Let me open up the other side so we can get this rolling. Okay. And we're going to add some paprika. Now, cayenne and spicy paprika has more of the color and the zing that we're looking for, okay? You want to get your little fork and mix up your flour with your seasoning. And then in your pan, you want it to be warm, and you want to put some canola oil, vegetable oil, grapeseed oil, and then 2 tablespoons of butter. Alright, so I put a little bit of canola oil in here to get it hot, and I'm going to put a little bit more. Now, we're not deep frying these, we're just sauteing them on the top. So we're going to have to flip them. And over here you hear the rice that I'm cooking, so you can have rice on the side. And I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of butter. And make sure your skillet is hot, okay? Now I have jumbo shrimp. I deveined them, cleaned them out, took the shells off, rinsed them in cold water, and all I'm going to do is just put them in our flour mixture. And the easy way to do this that I feel, I am going to put the lid on it, or you can do it in a bag and shake it up. Sit them in here and let them fry. Got a pretty big skillet, so go ahead and finish the rest of these off, and then I'm gonna show you what they look like once they get golden brown on one side, and then I'm gonna flip them again. And make sure you don't overcrowd your pan. done. They looking really nice. I'm about to burn my hand, y'all. So this is what they look like, okay? So just flip them, cook them, put some more in there. Look at that. So what I'm gonna do is finish them off. This is a simple, easy recipe. I'm gonna finish them off, put them on the side, take a little cute picture with them, and then I'm gonna show you what the meal is going to look like. Y'all, they smell delicious. Alright, be back. Alright, y'all, so it's done. It's complete. Look how golden and delicious that shrimp is. Look at our meals. Look at our plate. So this is with quinoa. Let me move my fork. And this is with regular rice with some seasoning. You boil the water in the seasoning, and then you put the rice in there. Boom, flavor for your mouth. Flavor town. Look at that. So I'm gonna take a picture. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and tune in next Sunday. I mean, we're making simple, easy, healthy meals. Boom.